Hi guys, my camera will be here. Don't worry. I'm gonna go on a ghost hunt tonight in my house to find out what those weird noises in my house are, and I hope this new camera can catch it. Because I've seen videos where people have caught flying orbs hit the camera. Now, okay, I could be on to something here. So tonight when that camera arrives, I'm setting it up, I'm doing a ghost hunt, and I'm doing a spirit box session live. I like to film this live because whatever is haunting my house, it will be caught, whatever it is. I think it's my haunted doll Red, but you can't be sure, can you? Maybe it's going to show itself or fly. I don't know. I hope it can move. I hope it can run around. I don't know. I'm a little off-putting about Red when I got him. I'm gonna tell you the story, right? So this haunted doll I got, his name is Red. First night I bought him, I put him near this ghost app I have. It's a haunted app. It's for paranormal investigators. Apparently, it detects very high level of paranormal activity, which red dots are a sign that there's a very high energy spirit around. If you are on a map on a ghost radar and it shows a red dot, there is a very high energy spirit. So, this is how it works. It detects anomalies. Anomaly could be human, it could be a ghost, it could be anything. It detects anomalies. So, I put my haunted doll Red next to this ghost app. Suddenly, this weird, disturbing, creepy laugh came out of the ghost box. I said, that wasn't before Red came. That was right after Red came. That was immediately at nighttime it happened. I'm like, whoa, that was just strange. All right, I don't know why that happened. I didn't see anything. I just heard faint little giggles in the background, and then weirdness happened. And then suddenly, creepy, weird, sounded like music came in the background, then a honking horn. And then suddenly, when I tried again, it waited a while, then it didn't come back until a while ago. So, once in a while I'll hear Red giggle through my EVP. So I'm gonna do a ghost box session with him to see if he'll giggle and do those weird noises or something. Because maybe it's him, I don't know. And I have another haunted doll called the Captain, and now I have them on display on a cabinet. So that will be interesting. And I hope this new camera can catch any paranormal activity off one of my dolls. But I have a strong, suspicious feeling that it's Red, my haunted doll, who's a clown doll. And he giggles a bit like a clown, too. And he sounds exactly like, shall I say, a clown. Maybe he is a clown. Maybe he wants to be known. I hope he can show himself. Maybe he dresses as a clown and likes to freak people out, but I don't know. When I find this haunted doll moving, I'm gonna film it. It's gonna be on YouTube. Take care, folks.